test design. Uh, this presentation explains how communicative language tests are designed and why they are important in assessing real communication skill. It's part of our language assessment project for Faculty of Communication and Language Universitas Bina Sarana Informatika. My name is Serhan Cesanda. Communicative language testing focus on assessing real-life language use. Uh, the goal is to measure how well students can communicate in authentic situations. It represents a shift from traditional grammar-based tests to communicative competence. Unlike traditional grammar-based tests, it measures how well learner can use the main goal to evaluate communicative competence or how effectively a person can communicate in different contexts. Theoretical background. Based on communicative competence theory, Hymes 1972, Cannell and Swain 1980 include four components. Grammatical, grammatical competence, correct use of language rules. Sociolinguistic competence, using language appropriately in social situations. Discourse competence, connecting ideas smoothly in communication. Strategic competence, using strategies to overcome communication problem. Characteristic of communicative tests, use authentic tests and real-life context. They use authentic and real-life tests. Measure meaning and fluency, not just accuracy. They measure meaning fluency, not just accuracy. Integrate multiple skills like listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Encourage interaction through tasks like interviews or role play. Speaking. Role play like booking a hotel room, assessment fluency and appropriateness. Writing email reply to complaint, measure currents, tone and grammar. Listening. Respond to phone conversation, check real time compression. Reading job application form test ability to interact information. Advantage of communicative test design. Test real communication, not memorization. It measures real communication, not memorized knowledge. Uh, encourage natural language use. It encourages natural language use. Provide valid and practical evaluation. Promote student engagement and confidence. Challenge in communicative testing. First, time consuming to design and assess. It's time consuming design as assess to take a long time to, yeah, it's gonna take a long time. Requires trainer trade to ensure fairness, and it also may involve subjective judgment without a clear rubrics. In conclusion, communicative test design empathies language use in context. Is offer authentic and valid measure of language proficiency. Effective design requires balancing validity, reliability, and practicality. For the reference, Cannell M and Swain M 1980, theoretical base of communicative approach to second language teaching and testing, applied linguistic. Hymes D 1972 on communicative competence, where CJ 1990 communicative language testing practice hall. Uh, Part number 2, case study C test. The C test measures student overall language ability including grammar, vocabulary and comprehension through text reconstruction tasks. The C-test is a type of language proficiency test designed to measure student overall ability. It evaluates grammar, vocabulary, and reading comprehension through a text reconstruction task. In the in this case, the study will present how to develop a C-test, create a scoring guide, and provide justification. Developing a C-test simulation. C-test is created by deleting the second half of every second word in a short text. Students are asked to complete the missing part using context clues. This, tech this technique tests both language knowledge and comprehension. And for the C-test number one, the topic is language learning. Students fill the missing part in a passage about learning English. The task tests how well they understand the meaning and structure of the text while reconstructing it correctly. And the test number two, the topic is technology in education. Uh, it measures student vocabulary, comprehension, and ability use context. This topic is relevant to modern learners who often use technology in studying. And the fourth scoring guide is correctly complete word. Its same is gonna count as 1 point. Particularly correct word, for example, minor spelling, spelling error, is gonna is we gonna give them a half score point, and the total score is converted into a percentage level. uh, 85 to 100% is the advanced level, 70 to 84% is upper intermediate level, and 50 to 69% is intermediate level. For justification, the selected tests are suitable for intermediate level students. They contain familiar vocabulary and simple sentence structure. The C-test measure multiple skills at once: grammar, context understanding, and vocabulary recall, compared to close tests or multiple choice. In conclusion, the C-test is an effective tool to assess the overall language proficiency. It combines simplicity, reliability, and validity. This case study demonstrates that the C-test is practical and useful in communicative language assessment. I think that's it. I hope this presentation help you to understand how communicative testing work and why the C-test can be useful example of it. Okay, thank you.